Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Now in my previous video I showed you guys how to make a corset top pattern and then the sewing tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn that two-part corset pattern into a three-part corset pattern. Now you know there are some times you want to sew a corset top but you want a real three-part corset pattern, not the two parts where you have to improvise and everything. This is what's going to be what you need when you want to create that. Now if you've not watched that other video, I'll advise you to watch it because you're going to need the cups for this particular tutorial. Let's get our intro in and do what? Stitch up. Now guys, like I said earlier, you're going to take the cups pattern. Now you're going to measure what you have in between these lines right here and draw these exact lines on the pattern paper.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Now using these lines, you're going to arrange your cups on it just like this and then trace out the shape right there.
Into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders, now we ain't out in.
Now guys, from this top right here, you're going to measure 2 inches downwards, mark it there. Then from the other side of the curve, you're going to measure 2.5 inches, not 2 inches this time, 2.5 inches, mark it right there. Then from the other end downwards, you're going to measure 2 inches. Now you're going to use a curved ruler to connect all these 3 points, 2 inches to 2.5, then to 2 inches, connect it using a curve.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'll never stop.
Now after doing that, you're going to cut your pattern out just like I'm doing right here. Cut it out to the 2 pieces.
You like to hurt me and maim, I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wide.
Then you're going to pick out the one that has the curves basically, so you can keep the second pattern as extra for your other projects. Now you're now going to cut out the curve basically, so the curve that we did earlier, cut it out and then label all your pieces.
Build quick, causing different possibilities.
So to make sure our third piece is correct, we're now going to paste it together just like this and then bring a new pattern paper and place it on it just like this. So once you place it on it, trace it out just like that, the way it is, trace it out and then cut it out. That is going to be your pattern. Guys, it's not hard and trust me, when you're sewing, it's going to be perfect.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm never stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
And guys, that's all guys. This is what our 3-piece pattern looks like. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to join these pieces as a full corset top. It's going to be amazing, so watch out for that. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share within and outside your circle. It makes YouTube know that I'm giving you guys great content. Watch my other videos as well, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.